Welcome to Make It Easy. So today I will share my suggestion on broad question of nursing foundation. Let's see my points. First, define nursing. List the principle applied for nursing procedure. Explain the qualities of professional nurse. Write in detail the role of nurse in admitting a patient. Define incontinence of urine. Enumerate the causes of incontinence of urine. Write various methods to prevent and treat incontinence of urine. Define catheterization. List the indication for catheterization. Explain the procedure of catheterization of a female patient. Define first aid. Golden rules of first aid. Explain first aid management in dog bite or snake bite. Explain the first aid given for foreign body in the eye and drowning. Define fracture. Write the causes and types of fracture. Explain the first aid management of patient with fractured leg. Define steam inhalation. List the purposes of steam inhalation. Explain the procedure of steam inhalation by Nelson inhaler. Define enema. Explain the procedure of soap water enema. Define drug administration. Explain various routes of drug administration. Explain the role of a nurse in administration of oral medication. Define body mechanism. List the importance of body mechanism. Explain the nurse's role in moving the client. Define bed bath. Purposes and procedure of bed bath. Define bed. Different types of bed used in nursing. List the purpose of bed. Explain nurse's role in preparing open bed and post-operative bed. Define nursing process. Explain nursing as a profession. Explain the step of nursing process. Explain nursing assessment in detail. Define unconscious. Explain the nursing care for an unconscious patient. Define normal body temperature. Different sites to check temperature. Define pyrexia. Explain the nursing management of a patient with hyperpyrexia. Define discharge. Type of discharge. Explain the discharge procedure. List the signs and symptoms of dying patient. Explain the nursing care of dying patient. Define oxygen administration. Explain the procedure of administration of oxygen by Mark's method. Define admission. Types of admission in detail. What observation are you expected to be made an admission? What instruction would you give to the patient and her family to the time of admission? Define comfort. Explain any two positions used for physical examination. Define decubitus ulcer. List the causes of decubitus ulcer. Explain the role of nurse in care and prevention of decubitus ulcer. Define health. Explain the determinants of health. Define cross infection. List the causes for insomnia. Enumerate the nursing measure of induced insomnia. Define feeding. Discuss the nurse's responsibility to feed a helpless client orally. Define personal hygiene. Explain the role of nurse in maintaining personal hygiene of a bedridden patient. Explain the procedure of giving mouth care to unconscious patient and list the solutions that are used for mouthwash. Define mental health. List the characteristic of mentally healthy person. Discuss the promotion of mental health in adolescent and old age. Define dehydration. List the signs and symptoms of dehydration. Explain the nursing management of patient with dehydration. Define burns. Explain the rule of 9 with a neat diagram to assess the degree of burns. Define bed sore. List the causes of bed sore. List the nursing care of patient with bed sore. Define blood pressure. List the factor causing variation in blood pressure and explain the procedure of measuring blood pressure of a patient. Define nursing. Explain the qualities of professional nurse. List the principle applied for nursing procedure. Write in detail the role of nurse in admitting a patient. Define gastric gavage. List the indication of gastric gavage. Explain the procedure of nasogastric tube feeding. List the type of exercise and explain the importance of each type. Define bandaging and list the aims and principle of bandaging. What is asepsis? Write in detail the step in medical and surgical hand washing. What is specimen collection and explain about any specimen collection. What is bed making? Purpose and principle of bed making. So this 36 question I made for nursing foundation. If you don't get the answer, please comment me to comment box. I will give the answer and study well. Thank you.